Good morning, guys! First day namin na gumala sa Puerto Vallarta.
Hello guys, good morning.
Yeah, ito yung labas ng aming Airbnb. It is now 11:47 AM. And did you sleep well?
Yeah, but so tired. Oh my god.
I think I had like at least 8 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
And then for Sumit maybe around 9 hours. Yeah.
Breakfast.
Oh yeah, may pa-breakfast again.
Let's go here. So, we go to the beach first.
Yeah, let's go.
And then supermarket.
Okay.
And where? Because we want to buy a few things.
Yeah, wala kaming toothpaste. Alam niyo ba?
Yeah.
Nag-toothbrush kaming walang toothpaste.
Let's go.
Actually, it did work. And then nag-floss ako. Yung floss ko kasi may mint.
For me, so that's fine.
Oo, wala kami toothpaste kasi kahapon nag-ikot-ikot kami, di ba? Punta kami dun sa may mga parang 7-Eleven nila, the kiosk. We went there.
Yeah, they don't have.
But they don't have. And then,
Here.
parang nawala rin sa isip ko na mag-check. We were looking for coffee, ganyan. Pero I remember like not seeing any toothpaste, ganyan.
The weather is so good.
Sabi ni Weather Up, it's gonna be...
It's not hot.
Yeah, hindi siya masakit sa balat. Sabi ni Weather Up, it's gonna be cloudy, gloomy, ganyan. Pero it's sunny naman. Ayan, ito yung neighborhood ng Airbnb namin. Parang nakakatakot siya, no?
Yeah, it's not bad.
I mean, it looks scary maybe for people
Look at that side.
who's not used to like staying in this kind of places, but
for us, it's fine.
yeah, kasi laking Pinas naman ako.
It's like
Philippines or India.
Yeah.
At saka hindi kami
It's
maarte.
more like Philippines, right? And mixed with Indian.
Ito yung bus nila.
You can also take bus from here. Oh no. He stopped. No, you cannot take them. See, they also have water supply like Philippines.
Oo. But we search on Google, sabing ganyan daw, it's safe to drink yung water dito sa Puerto Vallarta. One of the safest place to drink tap water. Sabing ganyan. Kasi kami ni Sumit, laking tap water kami.
Huh?
Like, whatever is in our blood is from tap water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, talagang tap water kami all the way. Except pag nasa India, except in India, right, we cannot drink it. It's not safe.
Yeah. I think in some places. I mean, most of the houses, they have this water purifiers.
Yeah, ngayon kasi sa Pinas, laging bumibili ng tubig, di ba? Diyan kami bumili ng pagkain kagabi sa Taqueria Jaime. As ibabalik lang ni Sumit yung bote kasi meron siyang depositong 10 piso. Bait din yung kahera nila dito kagabi. Ay, iba na yung kahera. Mga ganito sila.
Sorry, I don't want. Not right now.
Parang sarap nito. Wala, later pa daw. Maya pa daw, sabi ni Sumit. So ayun, hindi tinanggap ni Kuya yung aming bote. Kasi yesterday night, yung babae, hindi kami binigyan ng resibo. So sabi niya, no ticket, no balik-balik. Charot.
No ticket, no data.
Tapos sabi niya, Mami, alas 4, babalik yung muchacha. Muchacha ang tawag.
Chacha?
Muchacha.
Oh, muchacha.
Muchacha pala yun. Siguro yung worker niyang babae, muchacha. And then, muchacho. Pag lalaki. So, babalik namin yung bote sa kwarto. Tapos, saka tayo gumala. But the other one, did you receive any, like, a receipt for the other one?
Not really.
Oh, shit. So, parang deposito. Wala kami resibo. So, kailangan namin talagang balikan yung babae. Sabi ng lalaki, alas 4 daw. May nahanap kaming supermarket. Malapit sa, as in, katabi lang pala ng Airbnb namin. Lakad kami ng lakad kahapon. So, bibili muna kaming toothpaste. Oo. Tapos mag-toothbrush muna kami bago kami lumayas.
We have all the things here. Even the coffee behind.
Oh, yeah.
And we were looking for coffee.
Kahapon, hanap ako ng coffee. Wala akong na coffee. Oh yeah,
The local
they have
ones
more.
are there.
Tapos yung Airbnb namin, doon lang.
Yeah, just there.
Kasi katabi lang.
But it doesn't show up on Google.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi namin ito nakita kagabi. Ang layo ng nilakad namin.
Weird.
So, tara, bili tayo nito. Tapos mag-toothbrush tayo. Tapos gala na. So, nakabili kami ng toothpaste. Ito siya guys. Ito. Wait, ito siya. As yung Airbnb namin.
Our Airbnb.
Andun lang.
And we didn't see this. And
Kaya
we
nga.
didn't know.
Katabi lang as in.
At least we have toothpaste now.
Oo. So, ayan. Ito yung Airbnb namin. Konting kembot lang. Tapos nakarating kami ni Sumit doon.
26 peso for a small one.
Oh, medyo namamahalan ako sa mga nabili namin kahapon. Kaso nga lang kasi mga pinuntahan namin is parang yung mga mini mart tapos parang 7-Eleven. Di ba mas mahal yung sa mga ganong lugar? So ngayon, araw na to, baka pumunta kami sa may parang mall area. Tapos yung talagang grocery store nila. Para malalaman natin kung okay ba yung presyo. Ayun, sige, toothbrush muna.
It smells like Philippine resorts in Philippines.
This one here, the inside or the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree, the inside. Toothbrush muna. Nag-toothbrush kami na walang toothpaste. Imagine. Tapos katabi mo lang pala yun. Supermarket, ay ano pala, mini mart. Tapos, dinala pa ni Sumit yung toothbrush namin. Sabi namin, on the way, hahanap kami ng supermarket or mini-mart. Tapos, maghahanap kami ng banyo. Tapos, tsaka kami magtutoothbrush. That was the plan, right?
Yeah. I will brush twice now.
Sige, ako din. Toothbrush muna kami, guys. Ha? Babalik na po kami, guys. Fresh breath na po.
Yeah.
Si Pia at si Sumit. So, ngayon, lalakad tayo papuntang beach. You also wanna get your hair cut? Kaso nga lang, kakagupit ko lang ng hair
Then I
nito.
won't help you.
wala nang gugupitin. Ako lang naggupit
I will
dito.
become kalbo.
Ako yung hairdresser ni Sumit eh. Show your haircut.
Yeah, nice. I'm happy with this.
Hairdresser niya ako. Ako tagagupit ng buhok niya. Ever since the world began. May kainan na naman dito.
Didn't stop.
Ito, pharmacy. Pharmacia tawag nila sa pharmacy. Clinic. Oh, tita daw.
Huh?
Tita. Loncheria tita.
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 What is Tito?
I don't know. What's that? Swimming pool? May bathtub sa labas.
Ooh, nice.
Uy, ang sarap dito sa ilalim ng puno. True that, I agree.
Nice, right?
Uy, ang sarap na chill-chill lang si ate doon sa may balcony.
Nails.
Oh yeah, we were here yesterday night,
Yeah.
right? Doon yung mini-mart
The beach
nila,
is
oh.
there.
Oh, so close.
It's very close.
Nandun na lang pala yung beach.
And then you go right side.
Yeah.
There's a supermarket. The big one.
Oh, nice.
Same like Walmart. But the local Walmart.
Oh, let's go to the local Walmart.
Yeah, but I want to go to the beach. I just want to see the water first. So we have energy for today. Otherwise, we are already half dead right now. Like we were so tired yesterday, so dehydrated.
Yeah.
And when we ate the taco and the quesadilla, after that we felt like, oh my god, I just want to sleep.
Ayan, dito kahapon, kiosk ko.
Look at the roads.
Yeah. So So main road na pala to kasi may mga traffic
This one
light.
and that's right. That's the main road.
Ah, ay, okay, green na tayo. Ayun, nahinto naman sila. Pwedeng tumawid. Diba? Ay, massage yun!
Why?
Here!
Here?
I don't know where. Outside massage. Maybe they open at night. Here, they have a spa. So, tatry natin yan. Gusto ko magpamasahe. What? Did you say hello to you?
Mangoes? What?
I didn't see that. Oh,
Cola mangoes? What?
mangoes with the...
Cola, that means cello. Mangoes, what? Mangoes?
I don't know. Hindi ako tinatanong nito.
Yeah, that's what it said. Oh, C25.
Ah, the bus.
That's the one we took yesterday. Yeah, it's not. I like this place.
Yeah.
It's better not to. Oh,
Parasailing, yeah.
yeah, let's check.
It's calling me na. Tara na, magpa-parasail na. Ayun o. Malapit lang talaga ng beach. Ayan, ito sila.
It's getting hot
Yeah, it's getting hot now.
because it's the middle of the day. It's already 12, right? Yeah.
That's right.
Oh, 12:17. So the sun is at its peak,
Yep, that's right.
but still, it's not like how to say like Manila.
Uh-huh.
I don't feel that like the humid,
Oh.
hot.
We also
Or
have
maybe it's gonna be like this here also later, like
Uh-huh.
once the summer.
we also have this kind of like weather, like not too hot during Burr months.
Perfect. So nice.
Kasi nung pumunta si Sumit, sobrang init that time. It was really hot when we
Yeah.
were in the Philippines that time.
Yeah.
Uy, ang ganda rito ah. Single fish. Fun and clothes. Mga taxi. Taxi.
I like this place. Look at this.
Yeah, I like it too here. Green na bus. There you go.
No,
I think we can go actually. They stop there, oh.
but they are still coming back.
Oh no, they stop. No, there's only red, orange, and the green. So we actually could have crossed. Hindi namin nakita eh. Ito na kami, guys.
Wow! Finally.
Sobrang ganda. Ayun.
Nice.
Oh my God, Sumit.
Huh?
Ganito gusto ko.
Wow.
So nice.
So when are we going there? Tomorrow?
Not today, tomorrow, yeah. Oh my God, look at that view from there, oh.
Huh?
Look at that view. My God, so nice. Oh, ang ganda. Sobra. Yung energy ko bumabalik na ulit. Yes. Sobrang ganda as in. Tapos imagine mo, nagpapamasahe ka dyan. Ay.
I like it.
Me too, but not today,
So
tomorrow.
refreshing. And it's not hot.
Yeah. Or like you could just sit here at night and like chill.
We should also come here at night.
Yeah. We should. Parang upo-upo ka lang ba? Tapos pakinggan mo yung sound ng water. It's like 5 minutes walk from our Airbnb.
Yeah.
Medyo mabato lang, no? Ay, pagod namin. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Enough. Go.
Water or no?
I don't want to. Not today. I just want to take picture. Yeah. Tapos na kami sa may beach. Ngayon naman.
It's so nice. I'm telling you, this place is beautiful.
Yeah, pero I think babalik kami ng mga sunset.
Look at this.
Uy! Wow, what is this? A market candy. Bougainvillea. Oh, ganda.
Look at that tree.
Oh my god, I want a picture of that. I want this too.
So
Picturean ko
beautiful.
lang guys. As in.
So beautiful place.
Everything is just so nice.
Yeah.
I'm starting to sweat now.
Yeah,
but...
little. Me too.
Oo.
This city must be making a lot of money.
I know, right?
Because you remember yesterday, the plane
Yeah.
was full.
Yes, that's right.
And all just coming here for holiday.
Mm-hmm.
So they're gonna spend a lot of money here.
Yeah. Sobrang ganda guys. So, balik kami sa ay lang si kuyang security. Babalik kami doon mamaya.
The good thing, I mean, so far what we notice is they're not trying to rob you. Like they're not trying to scam you, right?
Oh,
They just say hi, hello.
Yung mga
Even if they
usual
don't speak
na
English, they're still gonna try to help you.
Oo.
Not try to shoo you away. Something like that.
Yung mga usual na ba, yung mga interaction sa mga touristic places, kagaya ng mga parang may mga agency ganyan na biglang lalapit sa'yo, parang pipilitin kang ganyan. Walang ganun dito. So far, ha?
So far, it's been good.
Uy, I want a picture of that one too.
This side.
Oh, ang dami na parang...
Hello, sir.
Uy, ito rin ang ganda. Look at that one. Aerial art.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's correct. One more. One more. Yep.
You want to? Nice, let's go. Just a quick one. Ayoko na, pagod na. Ang ganda. Ganyan naman. Ganda. Wow. Ay, ano ang pangalan nitong bulaklak na to? We used to take the nectar out of this one, Sumit.
Which one?
This one, it has
Yeah.
nectar. Have you tried it?
No.
It's really good.
Ah.
You can eat it. Ginagawa, sinusultop.
Getting hot now.
I know. Naiinitan na siya. Ako din. Actually, hindi namin masyadong ramdam yung init kasi naka-sunglasses kami. Pero pagtanggal mo ng sunglasses, kita ako sa gilid. Pagtanggal mo ng sunglasses, ang ano pala ng araw, no? Sobrang taas ng araw. Ooh.
Nice.
Yeah. Ayun, alam nyo ba guys, nadapa ako. Ay. Just showing na my knee. Nadapa ako sa harap ng bahay. Lagapak talaga ako eh. Bigla akong takbo sa loob kasi hiya ako baka na may nakakita sa akin ibang tao. Tapos pagdating sa loob, tsaka ako, ouch! Sabi kong ganyan. Yung halos mangiyak-ngiyak na. Tequila! Did he say hi to you?
Huh?
Did he say hi to you?
No.
He
They
whistled,
whistled,
right?
yeah. They were smiling. I said hello.
I didn't see. I can see from where, pero sabi ko lang tequila. Oh yeah. Speaking of tequila,
Oh yeah.
they produce tequilas here, sabi ni
Yeah.
Sumit. So he wanted to try like the
Mexican
local
tequila.
local tequila.
I wanna try.
Oo. Meron din silang ano,
Yesterday.
para sa mga bikers.
I called my mom,
Yeah.
and then she saw my face. She said, "Are you
Are you
drunk?"
drunk? Sabi nga.
I said, "No." I said, "I'm so tired because I didn't sleep for almost
Oo.
3 days in a row."
Yeah.
And yesterday I was closing till 3. Like I was awake till 4 a.m.
Oo.
and then I went to bed, and then I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning
I want a picture here.
because our flight was scheduled for 12
Yeah.
p.m. So I didn't sleep,
That's right.
and I was so tired. I mean, you were tired also, but oh my god, I was like almost dying. And right now also my body is so painful.
Ako din. Tapos sabi ko, I told Sumito, you should have said not yet. not yet drunk. Mamaya-maya. Bumabuelo pa. Pinapalamig pa lang yung alak sa fridge.
I was so tired. Oh my god.
Sige lang, picture lang kami dito kasi feel ko nasa ano ako eh. Nasa USA ako.
Look at this
Ganun yung
side.
itsura niya. Yeah. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ganda.
I think we should walk other side. I see bit better.
Yeah, they have more trees there, right? How do we cross then?
You're gonna die if you cross.
Water break muna kami dito
Break
sa
time na,
gilid.
break time.
Ang init.
It's nice. Oh my god.
Pawis na kami.
I like. I
Sobrang
mean, it's
ganda.
hot, but it's not hot. Something like that. It's just fine. Oh my god, it's so nice.
Sarap mag-chill dito sa, as in dito, kasi yung, there's like wind, that's why.
Yeah, that's
it
why.
feels good.
And I think because of the Muntalban.
Muntalban. Ayun yung Muntalban daw.
So this one is what, Pampanga,
Yeah, Mexico, Pampanga.
and that one is Muntalban.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh my god. I like this place.
They also have Tagaytay. Maya,
Tagaytay.
punta natin yung Tagaytay. Parang doon yata yung Tagaytay.
Nice.
Sarap. Ang
The
hangin.
roads are different, right? Faith?
Yeah.
Right? Americano. I think they transfer money
You wanna go with them?
to the banks. Yeah.
Sundan namin
Yeah,
sila.
the roads are different.
That's right.
Okay.
Tara na.
Tara.
Tara na guys.
Stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the